Hello viewers, our project is dynamic authentication using Android accelerometer sensor based access control system. This project is based on sensor technology. Here we use accelerometer sensor in this project. First we unlock the mobile screen. Let's now view the applications that we are going to use in our project. It is accelerometer generator, Chrome and file commander. First we enter into the Chrome and type the URL, which is the private URL, that is 203.124.106.223:8080/dynamic. Here we enter into a login screen. We need to type the username and the password. If we are a user which has been already created, we don't need to register here. If not, if the user is a new user, we need to register here. When we press the register here, we'll get the first name, last name, username, email, mobile and password. We need to provide the user details and register here. If the user is already a user, we directly need to log in by pressing the username and the password. Here the username we give is ABCD and the password we provide. Here we press the login. Before then, we need to enter into the accelerometer generator. Here we give the username, which is ABCD, and press the submit button. We then press the start button so that the mobile is tilted. The values are dynamically generated accordingly XYZ axis. When we press the stop button, the values are generated and stored in the Excel sheet in the mobile phone, and a successfully updated message is shown. To view that saved Excel sheet, we enter into the file commander. Here we go into the SD card, Android, data. Here abcd.xls will be stored, that is the username.xls. We can view the various values that is saved accordingly. Now we enter into the Chrome. We give the username and the password. We then log in. Here a click to get password window is shown. If we press the get password, a message will be sent to our mail. Before that, we do the process of acceleration as we done before. Then we enter in the Chrome and press the get password. The password will be sent to our mail and a message will be stated like this: OTP sent to your mail. Then we need to enter into our mail. A mail will be generated stating our password. Here is the mail. This is the password which we have obtained. We need to copy this password and type in the dynamic password. We need to simply paste here and login. Since we have entered the correct password, we will be linked to the bank and the particular bank which the user uses. And we can view the various actions like transactions and so on. Like this, we can create a link between the user and the bank and communicate in that. Thank you.